In this video, we'll explore how to create a view by uploading an Excel or CSV file. This method is perfect for visualizing data straight from your spreadsheets. First, move to the Views section from the sidebar and click the Create New View icon. Look for the Upload Excel or CSV option and select your file for upload. Remember, the file name should be under 100 characters. Once your file is uploaded, you'll set up your view. You can define the header row, change column names to better reflect their content, alter data types, remove unnecessary columns or rows, and even set primary columns. Turboard will initially name the view after you uploaded the file, but you have the option to rename it to fit your needs. If you need to make adjustments, use the Return to Template icon to revert changes, or the Update Excel or CSV icon to refresh the data if your original file has been updated. When you're ready, click the Create New Table and View icon at the top right. Your data will be transferred from your file and stored as a new connected table in Turboard's database, labeled as imported and listed as a new view.